Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago, and given that we are entering into the weekend and that the crypto markets are open 24/7, I like to do the 4-hour also because it allows me to just talk about big picture levels. So that way, even if you're watching this, late Saturday, Sunday, this chart should still be relevant because I'm going to talk about levels where you need to just ask yourself, where does the price stand relative to the current area? And the first level to kind of just, again, ask yourself, well, where's the price currently at in regards to, this area is going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period simple moving average. Now, if you've watched my videos from the past, you've heard me talk about this time and time again, and I'm going to continue to talk about it because from big picture perspective, that is the current key level of resistance that the bulls are going to need to break above. You can see right here, we're rejected by it. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls they're creeping up. They're getting closer and closer. So this is definitely going to be kind of a big question mark over the weekend is, are the bulls bracing and gearing up for another attempt or a possible breakout through that level? So again, if you're watching this, let's just say Sunday, and the price is well up above that pink line, well then, hey, that's a sign that the bulls are having themselves a very nice weekend. On the flip side of things, if you're watching this, we'll say Sunday again, and the price is still below that pink line, I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm not saying that, the chart's terrible or anything like that, but that is where these next couple of key levels come into play, because the following question you're going to need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price relative to, first off, that purple line right there, which is the 50 period? If the price happens to be below the 50 period, then you have to ask yourself about that green line, which is currently valued at 6,300. Now, if the price is, below 6,300, or if you're watching it and the price is continuing to separate to the downside of 6,300, at that point, that's the exact opposite, where you would say, all right, the bears are clearly having a very strong weekend. So keep an eye on all those levels, and that's what's going to keep the chart relevant. Again, if you're, you watched a video and right now the price is at 7,000, that would put it well above the pink line. Hence, that would we'd call that a technical breakout. And again, the bulls would be having a great a weekend in that situation. So keep an eye on the couple levels of support down here, and then that overall level of resistance. And yeah, we'll see how things unfold. And I'll be back Monday afternoon when the market closes. Well, the stock market, that is. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.